Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the installation procedure of QTCAD software. I hope everyone received this kind of mail for the installation of QTCAD software. In this mail, you can see the procedure for the installation of QTCAD software. You can see the first step, which is install Miniconda, which is a prerequisite of a QTCAD software. You can see the download link. Click on this, and according to your operating system, you can choose and you can download this and go to the file explorer. You can see the Miniconda downloaded completed. Double click to install the Miniconda. Click on next. Click on agree. Go for the just me, and you can see the installation procedure, basically destination folder here. Click on install. Once it's completed, click on next. Uncheck this and click on finish. To verify to the installation of Miniconda, you have to open the command prompt and type here Conda version. You can see the Conda version here 26.5.3. It means our Miniconda is successfully installed. Now you can see the next step, which is install the Visual Studio Code. You can see the download link. Click on this, and according to the operating system, you can install the VS Code. Once VS Code downloaded completed, double click to install. Click on the I accept the agreement and click on next. You can go with the default location folder. Click on next, next, and click on create a desktop icon, then next, and install. It will take some time. Once it completed, click on finish and it will open the VS Code. Now click on extension and install the here Python. Click on the first one and click on install, and also install the Jupyter notebook. Once both extension downloaded, Python and Jupyter notebook, close this VS Code and move to the third step. Now let's move to the next step, which is download and extract the QTCAD software. You can click on this link to download the QTCAD software and click on this download tab. Download. Now let's open the file explorer. Let's extract the QTCAD zip file. Extract all. According to your path, you can extract anywhere. Extract here. Once extracted completed, you can see the QTCAD folder here. You can see some example, fundamental, channels and readme file. Now let's see the next step. Now you can see the next step, which is configure the license file. Download the license file and navigate to the C user, your username, and create a folder with name .nanoacademy. And inside the Nano Academy, we have to create again a folder with the name QTCAD and place the license. In the mail at the bottom section, you can see the license file. Please download it. Here you can see the license file here. First, let's create a folder in C user. Go to this PC, C drive. Then you can see the user and go with your username. Here you can see the admin. Click on this, and I have to create a folder here with the name .nano academic. Click on this and again create a folder with name QTCAD. You can see here at the top section C, user, admin and Nano Academy. You can also create in your default user, then .nano academy, then QTCAD folder. Now place the license here, Control X, and let's move to the Nano Academy folder, then QTCAD, user, admin, and you can see the Nano Academy, QTCAD, license here. click on the paste. You can see the license file. You have to rename, and I have to remove this one. It should like this, license.lic. You can see the path here. Now let's move to the next step. Up to the 4th step we have completed. Now let's move to the step 5, which install the QTCAD. You can see, open the command prompt and navigate to the extracted QTCAD directory, and we have to type this command. First let's copy this command, and now let's move to the file explorer. In the download folder you can see my QTCAD extracted folder here, and type here cmd, and I have to paste this command conda create -n qtcad y. This command you have to type and enter. Once you type the enter, you can see the process started now. Now you can see some packages are downloading. It will take some time to install all the packages. Once all packages are installed, you can see now it's show the option to activate this environment. Use conda activate qtcad. We have to type here conda activate qtcad. Once we type conda activate qtcad, it will activate the QTCAD environment. You can see from the base environment it switch to the QTCAD environment. To verify the installation of QTCAD, we have to move to the example folder, then tutorials, and we have to open the gmesh first to create a mesh file. File, open, and go to the download section. You can see the QTCAD folder. You can see the example, then you can see the tutorials, and here you can see the mesh file. In mesh file you have to open the nanowire.go file. You can see the nanowire.go file. Open, file, and click on the save mesh and close this. Now you have to type here python nanowire.py and enter. Now you can see the QTCAD and the version you can see here, and some documentation link and other details you can see. Now you can see it loaded the mesh file from this path, and you can see some mesh statistics here, and it will open the QTCAD visualizer in a browser. You can see nanowire here. Once I close this, again it will open the visualizer where you can see the drain, channel, source oxide, drain band, gate band. Again close this, and again it will open because it will set a different camera action. You can see the coordinate now, different axis. Again close this. Now you can see it solve the boundary level. Now you can see some Poisson iteration here. Now you can see the electric potential, band diagram. You can see the hole density, potential, ground state, first excited state, second excited state. Now you can see our QTCAD simulation completed. Now let's see the last step, which is install the quantum metal. We have to move to the quantum metal QTCAD render, and we have to update the environment here. Let's copy this second one, Control C, and now move to the QTCAD folder. I have extracted QTCAD in download section. You can see the QTCAD folder here, and you can see the QTCAD metal feature, QTCAD render. I have to open the command prompt here. I have to type here cmd, and I have to paste this command to download the quantum metal. You can see it started now. It will take some time. Now you can see some packages are downloading now. It will take some time. Now we have to activate the quantum metal with the command conda activate quantum metal. Now you can see from the base environment it switched to the quantum metal. Now let's type the last command, which is this one, install quantum metal. pip install, and you can see you have to type enter. Now you can see the processing, and it's completed the packages also. Now successfully install the quantum metal. Now your QTCAD software is successfully installed. If you are facing any issue, you can directly coordinate with us. Thank you everyone.